Jordan brand continues its youth-focused storytelling with the Air Jordan 1 Low We Outside, a kids-exclusive release designed for active, everyday wear. This pair takes the classic Air Jordan 1 Low silhouette and updates it with outdoor-inspired details, highlighting durability, comfort, and versatility without losing its iconic style. The sneaker features a ripstop-style upper with muted teal overlays and a sail leather base, creating a rugged yet clean look. Textured panels reinforce high-wear areas, while contrast stitching adds depth. A pale green swoosh and tonal Jumpman branding complete the design. What makes this release stand out is its accessory-driven concept, including carabiner hang tags, themed stickers, and extras that emphasize the outdoor theme. Finished with a gum rubber outsole and reinforced construction, the shoe is built for school, play, and daily use. The Air Jordan 1 Low We Outside is expected to release in 2026, with more details coming soon.